Hey, Suzette. Hey, Suziana. Quick question, girl. Have you heard of that NUA Brushwork by Suzie Bougie? What do you think about her?
Girl, she ain't all that.
Girl, you be hating. Anyways, I was thinking about using her for my wedding. You know, for like the bridesmaids, you, me, obviously.
Girl, I can do better. Ouch!
What? You okay?
Girl, my neck. My neck has been hurting me all year.
Sounds like you need a doctor. Okay, but anyway, girl, that's all I wanted. I'll let you get back to whatever the heck you were doing, hating on random people all day. But anyway, seriously, girl, get that checked out. You need help fast.
Bye.
Brushwork, this is Suzie Bougie. Hey, Suzie, this is Suzette. I was just reaching out to you because I was inquiring about booking you for my wedding next year.
Okay, perfect. Let's get some details. Ouch!
Oh my goodness, are you okay?
Girl, I am so sorry. My foot has been bothering me all year.
That's so crazy. My best friend was just telling me that her neck has been bothering her all year. What is going on?
That's because I'm on their mix. All 2K19. And even after that.
Audio Jungle.
Drop it.